Welcome to another exciting episode on our channel. Today we're diving into the world of DIY home renovation, where we take dull, outdated spaces and transform them into stunning masterpieces, all on a budget. Whether you're tackling a kitchen remodel, revamping a bedroom, or adding charm to your living room, these DIY home renovation ideas will inspire you to breathe new life into your home. Stick around for before and after reveals that will blow your mind. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's get started. Before grabbing a hammer or paintbrush, you need a solid plan. Here's how to get started. Set your budget. Decide how much you can spend and prioritize where to allocate your funds. Create a vision board. Use Pinterest or magazine clippings to compile a vision for your space. Make a timeline. DIY projects can take time, so set realistic goals to keep your renovation on track. Gather materials. Research the best materials within your budget and make a list of everything you'll need. Now that we have a plan in place, let's move on to the fun part. Transforming different areas of your home. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and a makeover can make a huge impact. Here's how to achieve a stunning transformation affordably. Paint cabinets instead of replacing them. A fresh coat of paint in white, navy, or sage green can completely change your kitchen's aesthetic. Swap out hardware. Replacing old handles with modern brass, black, or chrome hardware instantly upgrades the look. DIY backsplash peel and stick tiles or shiplap make for an easy and affordable backsplash update. Open shelving. Remove a few cabinet doors and style with plants, dishes, and cookbooks for a fresh look. New lighting. Swap out outdated lights with pendant or under cabinet lighting for a dramatic effect. The living room is where we relax, entertain, and spend time with family. Let's transform it into a stylish and cozy retreat. Wall treatments. Use peel and stick wallpaper or DIY shiplap for an instant upgrade. Thrifted finds. Refresh old furniture with paint, new upholstery, or slipcovers. DIY coffee table upgrade, sand and stain an old table, or build one using reclaimed wood. Stylish storage solutions. Add floating shelves and stylish baskets to reduce clutter. Rug layering. A large rug paired with a smaller accent rug adds warmth and depth to the space. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary. Let's give it a stunning makeover. DIY accent wall. Use wood slats, wallpaper, or paint to create a statement wall. Upgrade your bed frame, sand and stain an old bed frame, or create a headboard with fabric and plywood. Better storage. Maximize space with underbed storage, wall-mounted nightstands, and hanging organizers. Cozy bedding layer, different textures like linen, velvet, and knit for a luxurious look. DIY nightstand makeover. A simple coat of paint and new knobs can refresh an old nightstand. Bathrooms are often overlooked, but a few DIY updates can make them feel spa-like. Peel and stick tiles. Affordable and easy to install, they give a fresh look without demolition. DIY vanity makeover. Paint your vanity and swap out old faucets for a modern touch. Floating shelves. Add stylish storage for toiletries and decor. Frame mirror hack. Use trim to create a high-end frame mirror look. New shower curtain and towels. Instantly refresh the space with trendy textiles. Your outdoor space deserves a transformation too. Whether you have a small patio or a spacious backyard, here are simple DIY upgrades. DIY pallet furniture. Create a lounge area with pallet sofas and a coffee table. String lights. Instantly add ambience with warm outdoor string lights. Vertical garden. Use wall-mounted planters for a lush green backdrop. DIY fire pit. Build an affordable fire pit using pavers or bricks. Outdoor rug and cushions. Make the space cozy with weather-resistant textiles. Now that we've transformed different areas of the home, let's focus on the finishing touches. Declutter and organize. Less is more. Keep only essential and beautiful decor items. Artwork and wall decor. DIY art pieces, thrifted frames, or gallery walls add personality. Greenery plants instantly make any space feel alive and inviting. Scent and ambience candles, diffusers, or fresh flowers enhance the feel of the space. And there you have it. We've completely transformed different areas of the home using simple, budget-friendly DIY renovations. The before and after results speak for themselves. Which transformation was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found these ideas helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY inspiration. And don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss out on our next amazing makeover. Thanks for watching and happy renovating. See you in the next video.